Today I'm making Tostadas La Siberia, or some people call these Tostadas Estilo Monterrey. This is gonna be good. So to start, I'm going to go over some ingredients. Now to make life easy, I'm using a lot of store-bought ingredients, but for tostadas, you could make your own. Here I was just frying store-bought corn tortillas. I'll give it a flip and just let it keep frying until it is a deep golden brown color, just like this. And once it's done, you repeat the process and you have homemade tostadas. Now for my guacamole salsa, I'm going to be using 2 large avocados, and typically I'd like to use green tomato, but I didn't find any. So I'm going with 2 small tomatillos, but I am going to pre-cook them just a little bit before blending. I will also be using the juice of these pickled jalapenos. Today I'm going with Mexican table cream. Mexican sour cream is another usual ingredient for these. Another easy part of this recipe is store-bought rotisserie chicken. I'm going to shred this chicken, but you can boil or bake your chicken. So I've already shredded my chicken, but here I have hot water and I'm going to mix a little bit of chicken bouillon powder and give that a mix, and I'm going to pour this onto my shredded chicken. This will flavor it, but it'll also keep it moist and tender. I don't want it to dry out. Now I'm adding salt and pepper to taste. Just give it a mix, and this is the shredded chicken that's going to top these tostadas. So here I am just boiling these tomatillos, and I'm not going to boil them until they're mushy. They've been boiling for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to shut off the heat. And they're just sort of semi-parboiled cooked. I just didn't want to use raw tomatillos. So I'm adding them to my food processor along with 2 to 3 tablespoons of the pickled jalapeno juice. I'm also adding 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now I'm only going to add 1 of my large avocados, and I'm just going to puree this well. So this puree is done. I'm going to add it to a bowl. And now I'm going to add the other large avocado. Now the reason I do this is because I know there's people that probably think, why don't you just puree all of it? But tostadas that I remember in Monterrey when I was younger, they use more of a mashed aguacate with this, or avocado. So that's why I do this, but you don't have to. Make life easy for yourself. So now it's time to put these together, and you'll probably think, wow, that's it. Yes, that's it for these tostadas. It's really one of my favorite dinners to make because it's so quick and easy, and it's versatile with the store-bought chicken and pre-made tostadas. So I'm just going to build this, layer it, and dig in. And that's it. Super good. So for my people that don't like eating sounds, tune away, because I'm digging in and things are going to get crunchy. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.